Hello everyone, I am Prithvi Singh Thakur and I am from Maharit Fort, Nasik, and my star ID is 0020580006. As I would gonna tell you about the all new Ford Endeavour, first I would like to tell you about the heritage of the Ford Endeavour. It has come from a Ford company's trucks, and I would say the truck F series, which was the most famous among the most selling series of F series trucks in USA, and was very famous for its power and 4x4 capabilities. From that kind of heritage, the Ford Endeavour, new Endeavour has evolved. As coming to the looks of the Endeavour, it has a chrome radiator grille with a HID lamp, high definition lamp, and also with the auto leveling lamp with the LED lights given for the looks, and which provides the very good focus on off-roading and on-roading of the all-new Endeavour. As coming to the body styling of the Ford Endeavour, it has a aerodynamic structure with a kinetic design concept. As coming to the performance of the car, its hood is hydraulic. I just have to push it, and with a superb engine of 2.2 liter with 160 PS of power and 385 Newton meter of torque, which is the maximum output in its own segment, with a 2.2 liter engine with a 1 lakh kilometer warranty with 2 years and 1 year or 10,000 kilometers service schedule given in this all new Ford Endeavour, and a very good service given by the Ford that you can also check all the part prices according to the location. You can understand the bill of the service. As before you're coming to service, you can get the whole bill, whole labor charges and everything, with a spare, I would say spare part prices, everything given, mentioned on the online. So you can, when you're coming for the service, you can have everything online, and then when you come down to showroom, you would be knowing your bill before paying it through online. And as coming to the inlet of the car's air inlet is given on the front. Why? Because it has a 800 of water wading capacity, which actually gives capability to the Ford Endeavour that it can be driven through the water, and till 800 water wading capacity, the car doesn't get any damage and it can go smoothly till here. I would say the car will never have a problem while driving off-roading. And now I would like to go further. As coming to the wheelbase, it has a 2850 of wheelbase, which gives a very good internal space, and also has a 18-inch alloy wheel to the car with a tubeless tire. And the all new Endeavour has a ABS with EBD, which is an anti-lock braking system as an anti-skid technology, and also has a EBD, electrical brake force distribution, which actually has as according to the weight and pressure to the tire, the brake force is automatically distributed among the tires, which gives more stability while turning and driving fast. As coming to the front suspension, it has an individual suspension with coil spring and anti-roll ball, and at the rear suspension it has a coil spring with a semi-linked anti-roll ball, which provides not only comfort to the customer but also the stability to the car. As comparative to the other SUVs, it provides more comfort while driving this car off-road. As I was told you about the wheelbase, which is 2850 I would like to now tell you about the internal space of the car, which is massive. I would say it has a very good legroom and headroom, and the AC vents are given on the upside, which gives us air circulation very proper and gives more cooling to the customer. With there are 10 speakers given to the all over car SUV, which provides a very good surrounding music system. And as coming to the second row of the car, it is adjustable front and rear, and also is been reclinable, I would say. And this seat is 60-40 foldable. So as it has a 60-40 foldable seat, you can also see that at the third row, that is also foldable 60-40, and also gives a very good legroom and headroom to the SUV. And as coming to the Coming here, it is adjustable, it is reclinable, and it gives a good legroom and headroom to the customer, which provides a very good massive space into the Endeavour with a very good suspension, provides a very good comfortability inside, with also has a good trimming inside with a very good leather interior, which provides a luxurious feel to the all new Endeavour. As coming here, it has a 80-liter diesel capacity inside, the maximum capacity, which is massive for a big monster. As coming to the rear side of the car, it has LED lights given to the all new Endeavour, which not only gives looks, also it is a battery saver and gives a very brighter and a longer look from the far. As coming to the rear side, it has a rear sensors and also has a rear camera given to the Endeavour, which provides a very good look for the driver who is taking a reverse at the time. And coming to the boot, it has also a defogger given to the car, and the boot is actually openable through the key. You have to just press 2 times, it is automatically openable. If you are having some heavy luggage, you can keep easily inside. As coming to the boot space, it has a 430 liters of a boot space. I would say it has a rear charger given over here, which is used, you can use it for the charging, or it can be also used for the fridge, the small fridge we are providing in accessories. And now if you want to close this, you can actually close it with the key. And first, before closing it, you can see that it has a very huge and very good boot space given to the car. Now I'm closing it with only with the 2 just clicking the switches, and it will automatically close easily. You don't have to hustle around. It is a very good feature. It provides more comfortability to the car while closing the boot space. Yeah, please come forward. As you have seen the car exteriorly, I have shown you everything. Now I would like to tell you about the beautiful and extremely extraordinary stylish interior of the all new Ford Endeavour. As you can see over here, this is electrically 8-way adjustable seats. It has a thigh support to the car. It has a reclinable front, backward, and it has lumbar support too. So while driving, you can have a very huge and good lumbar support and also have a very comfortable ride, as it has an electrically 8-way adjustable seats to the car. So as we are inside the car, which has a very exclusive and superb interior, as in the 2.2 liter titanium model, which is the top end of it, a 2.2 liter. It has a leather interior with a very good rich feel to the car. And as coming to the steering, it has a lot of switches, as that switches denote so many of features. Like I would start with, this is for the volume, this is for the voice command, this is for cutting the call and answering the call, and it is for the mute. From the right hand side of the vehicle, steering side, it has a speed limiter to the car. Like if I press this, how much speed I will set it over here, it will actually, you can see here, I can raise the speed limit, and if I set the limit over here, the suppose 60 km or 80 km per hour, the car won't go beyond it. And the second switch is given for the cruise control. While using this car, if I press the cruise control above 40 km per hour, I can drive this vehicle while not touching the accelerator. Just I have to press plus or minus. It is like if I press the plus, it will actually increase the speed of the vehicle, and if I minus it, it will decrease the speed of the vehicle. And if suppose I keep a speed of 80 km per hour on the cruise control, actually it will limit the speed, or it will maintain the speed, I would say 80 km per hour while driving on highway. If I am driving on the slopes or I am going upwards on the slope, it will maintain the speed of 80 km per hour, which will help me in actually increasing the average of the car, and also I will not get tired. This steering is an electronic power assist steering with a very good finish and fitting to the steering. It is coming with the active nibble cancellation. Like if I'm driving this car on off-road, the vibrations won't come on the steering, so I won't feel any jerks over here, and I won't feel tired while driving this vehicle. As coming to the display cluster of the car, I would tell you that it shows you the distance empty of the car, which tells you about the how many kilometers the car will go. It will tell you the electrically the speed of the car. It will tell you the RPM of the car. It will tell you the fuel capacity, fuel levels of the car, the heat and cool level of the car, and also it has many things, like it has a trip control. It will tell you how many kilometers it has run till date. You can zero it. You can calculate the average manually as well. It has a fuel economy that it tells you that how many kilometer average it has been providing you per liter, as average is given. Everything is given over here. You don't have to calculate. The car calculates everything for you. As coming to the driver assist, it has a tire monitoring system, which is TPMS, which actually, if there is if in 4 tires, if there is any kind of a low pressure or a high pressure in the air tire, it will tell you exactly where it is, and it will gives you the buzzer over here. As coming to the settings, it has a vehicle setting. It has a alarm set, clock set, power lift gate. As I've shown you the boot space, which actually goes up and comes down according by the key. You can adjust it from here. You can adjust the auto wiping system, and also it has a my key function. I'll tell you, the my key function is a very good function. In my key function, you can actually limit the car speed, you can limit the volume of the music system, and also you can have a control that how many kilometers from you have set a my key. You can actually lock the vehicle, and you can see the kilometer it has driven from the time you have locked till the time you get the vehicle. Okay, so my key provides you with that kind of a setup, because you are buying a Endeavour, which if you're giving your Endeavour to anyone else, you can actually lock the whole system, your speed, your volume of the car, everything. As coming to the display setting, you have measurements you want in degrees, or what kind of language would you like to prefer. It can be Dutch, it can be English, anything. You can just click it from here. As coming to the left hand side of the display cluster, which is actually used for the phone data. As you can see, anything everywhere. You can see my incoming calls, my outgoing calls, everything. You can see it at that cluster, and you can call it from here. You don't have to see to the music system screen. You can actually operate it from here. And as coming to the entertainment, if I want to play anything from my music, if I were to actually play the music from my phone, I can actually use this screen to play. Here it is my speeding dial, and this P is for power parking, R is for reverse, N is for neutral, D is for drive, and S is for sports. Drive mode would be you can drive the vehicle, N is for the neutral, and S, if you want to overtake someone, you can use the S mode. As coming to the all new music system with a sync technology, as I was telling you about the voice command, actually you can give the voice command. I can set an example for you.
Please say a command.
Phone.
Phone. Say a command.
So if I give a phone, then there are several type of commands: call name, call, dial number, anything. If I actually ask for anything, it can dial. Suppose if I give a command,
please say a command.
Phone.
Phone. Say a command.
Dial number.
Start saying a phone number.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Say dial, delete, or continue speaking the digits.
So in this way, I can dial people. I can actually, if I have some phone books saved in this, I can suppose if someone is there, if I call Ramesh, so if I say phone and then call Ramesh, it will directly connect that call to one of my phone book contacts. It is very easy that while driving, I don't have to use any touchscreen or anything. Just I have to press this switch and I can command this for playing music, pausing music, for the fan speed, everything. Now coming to the screen again, and it has written the climate over here. If I press it here, I can actually digitally use the whole AC. As I click here, the dual AC, there will be 2 zones for the co-driver and for the driver, that if he wants the 20 degrees Celsius and I want 20 plus 24, 23, I can set it for 23 and he will set it for 20. So dual zone AC would be there, so the driver won't feel uncomfortable or the co-driver won't feel uncomfortable. And this is for the air circulation, max AC, rear defoggers, front defoggers, and you can see the rear switch over here. If you connected this, you can actually on the rear AC from here by pressing this, or you can use the control fans, or you can control the temperature of the rear side. As I coming here, this is for the music system. As you can see Prithvi written over here. Prithvi is my phone. Actually, I can connect my mobile here and I can play my music if I want to play over here, and you can listen to music of my phone. This is USB is there, CD is there. Actually, it is not yet right now. I have connected any USB or CD, so you can play it from here. As now again I go to the settings of it, you can see there are three options. One is for the ambient light. Actually, you can see that there are several color balls given over here. If I touch any one of the ball, the interior lightning color would be different. If you can see over here or there, you can see a little bit of reddish or a blue colored line at the downside as well. There is a red light onto the foot. At the foot light is red, here is red, there is red. So any color which I choose over here, I can set the brightness and I can actually, according to my mood, I can have a light, interior light according to me. As again going to the settings, there is a camera setting given of the rear view camera, that how I want. Do I want in the reverse? If I put a reverse in the car, actually it provides some like of a grid, and if I move my steering, you can see that there is a direction given that where my car is going. So that is a prediction given by Endeavour that where the car will get parked. Okay, I again go to the parking. Now I can set that if I want that prediction or I don't want that prediction. Then coming to the enabling valet mode, I'll tell you what is it. It is a very good feature which is only provided by Ford, that here you can put a password. Suppose I put 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I enter. So again I have to put the password 1, 2, 3, 4 and I enter. So now my music system has been locked. If I'm providing my car to someone else, or the customer is providing a car to someone else, the Endeavour gives a facility, I would say, or a feature that you can lock the whole electronic panel until the date the person who knows the password doesn't put that password inside the music system, it won't get operated. So if I press 1, 2, 3, 4 and I enter, now again I can use the whole screen. Now you can see there are 2 slots of USB given. The SD card is also there. The aux is also there. Here is for the AC off and on given. Then there is a max AC switch. Here also you can control all the cooling temperature and all those things. You can tune it from here. You can use it from here. You can go to home. It is totally touchscreen. Here you can see the information system. It is for the GPS, and here you can use the FM as well if you want to listen to the music. It has a 10 speakers. It has a very good use surrounding music, and at a very good feature I would like to tell you, it has an active noise cancellation feature, which is what? There are small speakers given inside which create some kind of a bleeping noise. You can't hear it, but actually it cuts the engine and the tire noise of the car. Engine and tire noise of the car has been cutted, so your whole internal cabin is very silent. Okay, now this this Endeavour has 6 airbags, front, 2 here and there. The whole, there you have a curtain airbags from starting here to till the end of that side of the car. Till the end of the car you have 6 airbags here, and you have 2 airbags in the seat, so it actually covers you from the side. So the whole, everyone who is sitting in the car is been covered in all of the 6 airbags, which is very safe, and as it has a very good weight and very superb body quality, but it has airbags as well, which gives a very good safety to the car, as Ford always I would say focus on the safety of the customer. It gives you 6 airbags. Then coming to the automatic transmission, it has a parking mode, it has a reverse mode, it has a neutral mode, and it has a drive mode. If I put it in the drive and I release the brake, the car will start moving. If I put it in the sports, the car will have more torque and will be overtaking. In the overtaking situation, I can use the sports mode. And if I put it again into the park, then I can switch off the vehicle and I can release the key. As coming to this, it has a traction control switch given over here, which is to off and on the traction control system. While when you start driving the car in drive mode, and when you give the acceleration to the car, the wheel starts spinning and it may discontrol your vehicle. So for that, the traction control system is given. So for that, in a muddy area or in a slippery area, the car won't lose its traction. Okay, then at the left hand side, the wipers is given. The wiper of front wipers, and for the rear wiper you can use it. And when you use this, when the lights are on, automatically the jet washers come out and they spray the water on the headlights. And the right hand side, it is given the indicator. Here it is the automatic. Here is the automatic. You can see here is the automatic lighting system is given for that. So you can actually use the lights from here. You can use lock and unlocking the car from here. So these all things I've told you about the features of the all new Endeavour. Now we should go outside and just finish it off. Thank you. Hello everyone, and as we have seen all the features of the Endeavour, now as I was saying, as a global warming global feature, I would say, sorry, that if I lock it and press it twice, it will give a horn, and then all the windows will roll up and the car would be locked. This is the global feature, that while you are moving out, and if you have forgotten to just do your windows up, then you can use this feature. And now, as we have seen the whole new all Endeavour, everything has been shown to you. So thanks for watching. Thank you everyone. This is Prithvi Singh Thakur from Morer Ford. Thank you. Ford, go further.